Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let us see our demo for data recovery in cloud using MAC algorithm. Our paper presents a data recovery system which retrieves a disaster in cloud. Cloud computing provides a wide range of online storage where security issues play a major role. In existing system, cloud computing not providing the security on data and only provide data recovery process. In existing system, data recovery process implement on finding the failure cloud server and then recover the failure server data, but recover data was not checking this is actual data or not. In proposed system using new algorithm SHA-1 to improve the move security to user file. The user file is split into small data pieces and stored with multiple servers connected to the cloud. When single server is under failure and user request for data retrieval, then recovery the data with another servers using k-means clustering algorithm for splitted data. Using recovery proxy data from failed server is retrieved from the metadata which is maintained by cloud. Finally, check the actual MAC key is retrieved by the old key. Flow first, user can select the file. That means processing start on choosing file and content on files are verified and installation on server are made with the files. File choose to be made on fragments and each fragment is verified on size and contents are uploaded based on fragments allocated to server. This server can after splitting the file and it will stored into multiple server. That means file to be uploaded and fragments of files are made and server are separately made to handle fragments and each level are issued. Processing done based on fragment and trace on fragments are made for verification on reception. Processing on initial level of fragments are issued and transfer path are issued on option for fragment during the processing. During the often we can split storing into the data, it will generate the MAC address. MAC address is nothing but scheduler options are used on recovery process of patches and similarity manner are analyzed on files on reception. That means server can be coordinated with the reception on patterns and each to be processed in terms of recovery. Analyzing done on patches of recovered file and they are not processed in terms of individual processing. Recovery options are completely analyzed and made on each level of file processing on processing phases. Using SHA-1 algorithm, user data are converted into encrypted form and then stored into the metadata. After storing into metadata, if any one of the server is failed and we can recover the data on that file. That means if any one of the cloud server will be failed, the user request or data retrieval and then recover the data with another server. Using k-means clustering algorithm for filter data, using recovery proxy data from failed server is retrieved from the metadata which is maintained by the cloud. Finally, check the actual MAC key with retrieve MAC key. That means actually we have stored in metadata, we have to produce MAC key. That MAC key is compared with the actual MAC key. That is same is content are not modified. Otherwise, the hacker will modify our content. Let us run our code. We have to first run the homepage.java. In home.java, the first frame will be shown. We have to click the image and the user will select the file. User will select the file or file to store into the cloud bar chart demo file and we have to click the open button and we have to click the check boxes. The file name will be shown and we have to click the location will be shown and which format the file is to be stored. It is a Java format and calculate the file of the size and view the input file and upload into the cloud. We have to run the trusted authority. The server will receive the user request. The file will be shown and it will be splitted. File will be split into four parts and it will be shared into the 4 servers. And click the next buttons the cloud server 1, it will store the own contents, and another contents are it will be shown. Click next button. In server 2, it will store the own contents, and another contents will be shown on next servers. In server 3, this is own content will be stored on server 3 and other content. In server 4, this is the store file in server 4 and another contents, and click next button. In this place, the replica scheduler is used to store the four parts file into the different servers. That means server 1, server 2, server 3 and server 4. We have to get means it will be stored into the metadata storage. This is a MAC address key. It will be stored into the metadata storage place and save. It will store into the cloud server 1 and get them and save, get and save, get and save. We have to save we have to save the file into 4 different places. We have to go to the backup place. We have to delete the server 3. Server 3 is deleted. Status of the servers is connected, is failed. That means the user file is deleted and connected. Next, it will be retrieved on recovery proxy, retrieve the data. The 3 servers will retrieve the own data. Next, combine the data. It is a server 3 failed data contents and get MAC address. Checking MAC means we have to store the MAC address in metadata storage place. In this place we have to get the MAC address and it will check into the current MAC address, because this is original content or hacker will be change the contents. Checking it is integrity confirmed means this data is original data, user original data, and finally we have to show the graph. Thank you.